morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the chapter Natural Resources, Land, Soil and Water. Today I will explain you about water resources. Now our Earth is the only planet in the universe that has water. About 71% of the total surface area of the Earth is covered with water. The Earth is often called a blue planet. Water is present on the Earth in the form of oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. This is called surface water. Water is also present in the pores of rocks under the surface of the earth. This is called groundwater. Now, what are the significance of water? We use water for our domestic purpose like drinking, cooking, washing, etc. Water from rivers and lakes is used for irrigation. Plants absorb water from the soil. Water also forms an important constituent of the body weight of animals. Water is required for our industry, for cleaning and cooling the machines. When water falls from height, as in waterfall or dams, it can be harnessed to generate hydroelectricity. Large water bodies like seas and oceans help in moderating the climate of the coastal regions. The ocean waters are home to a great variety of marine life, which is a source of occupation for many people. River, seas and oceans serve as means of transport. Now, what is fresh water? Fresh water is one of the most valuable natural resources on the earth. Water is a renewable source and its total volume is more or less constant over the earth. It needs to be conserved and managed properly. Even increasing population and rising standards of living have created problems of water scarcity in many parts of the world. Either the existing sources are dying up or water is getting polluted. Distribution of fresh water is highly uneven in the world. This is mainly due to differences in climatic condition. Now, problems of water availability. The scarcity of water resource is a major problem facing many countries. The regions suffering from Northern Africa, Central and West Asia, parts America and Central Western Australia, all countries are facing the problem of water. The countries or regions suffering from water scarcity are also usually poor on development. They have the highest rate of growth in population. They cannot afford to import water from other countries. They are prone to droughts and other water problems. Now, improving the quality of water. The quality of water is perhaps as important as the availability of it. Certain amounts of impurities are present in all water. But when these impurities exceed the limit of tolerance by living beings, the quality of water is adversely affected. Untreated or partially treated sewage, pesticides and chemical fertilizers and industrial effluents are responsible for contamination of water. Use of this contaminated water causes serious diseases like typhoid, cholera, dysentery, diarrhea. Now, purity of drinking water. It is the importance it should be free of all sorts of harmful objects like bacteria, parasites, lead, salt and iron. Drinking water can be completely disinfected only through chlorination. The most important method is to boil the water. It kills all bacteria and parasites. Pesticides used in agriculture may be effective in killing pests, but they are equally harmful to humans. They are not biodegradable and enter human bodies through water. Now, how we can conservation of water. Now, how we can conserve the water? There are various methods to conserve water by afforestation, planting of trees and other plants can slow down the surface runoff and improve seepage of water in the soil. Underground water reservoirs can be replenished by afforestation. Then irrigation. The most important use of fresh water is irrigation. Efficient irrigation method must be used so that there is no wastage of water. Over irrigation is neither good for the crops nor for the soil. Canal and dams must be prepared to avoid wastage of water. Sprinkles are a very effective method of irrigation. They can irrigate even undulating land. Water loss through seepage can also be checked. In dry regions where evaporation rate is high, trickle or drip irrigation is useful. Underground pipes supply water to the roots of plants. Then industrial use. Industrial water may be recycled and used for cleaning and cooling the machines. Domestic use. In domestic use, wastage of water should be avoided. Taps should not be unnecessarily kept open and the faulty ones should be repaired. Wastage water from kitchens may be used to fill up air coolers or for gardening. Rainwater harvesting. It is an important method to conserving water. Rainwater can be collected in a storage tank and later be used to fill up wells and tube wells to recharge groundwater. Now you will do all exercises in your book.